what's the basic upgrade for a Suzuki Jimny? For me is suspension lift and set of wheel tires. For this unit, we use the JAOS Battle Z basic suspension. It composed of the coils and shocks here, the coil and shocks, and the extended brake hose. For the rims and tires, we use the JAOS wrapped in KO2, BF KO2 tires. 5-piece with a spare. And lastly, the JDM grill. The grill. Here at PRS, we have tons of upgrades for your Suzuki Jimny. From the interior, like the seats, steering wheel, strut bar, cup holder. For the exterior, your body kit, muffler, LED tail light, everything. We have it. It's depend on you. Sky's the limit. Hope you like my simple upgrades. Feel free to message me. Thank you. Stay safe. From PRS CAR ACCESSORIES.